Hey guys, so fourth fan of the night.
Fourth fan of the night.
And last Envirofan from Pedro's of the night.
Last Envirofan from Pedro's. Last Envirofan of the night.
And so as always, we have only one Spencer. What? Spencer? We have one Spencer for our videos tonight, which is
sponsors.
Pedro's Mexican restaurant. That's where the fans are from, and we also have their chips and salsa. So that is our sponsor for tonight. This fan was in what we're calling the office because during the auction, they made that back dining room behind the bar into an office for when they had the auction there. But I don't actually remember what it was used for when the restaurant was open. I'm guessing it was either just part of the bar or like somebody else said it might have been a party room. I'm going to go back and look at my videos and see if I can find an example of what they were using it for when it was open. But yeah, this was in that kind of that separate dining room behind the bar. I'd call it back dining room, except there already are two other back dining rooms.
I would call it a party room. That's kind of what it looked like to me. But
that's one of the things I loved about Pedro's is just, it was like I love a maze. Any maze that doesn't feel claustrophobic. That's one of the things I love about House on the Rock. And Pedro's is definitely a maze of
House on the Rock doesn't feel claustrophobic.
No, because there's so many big spaces, and even the small spaces, you're not in them very long.
It doesn't bother me either way, but I kind of always put a picture of that as being that definition.
I mean, to me, claustrophobic is being in an MRI machine. That's
so really
or elevator, I guess. But
not Pedro's. So
no,
it's not.
Pedro's has a bunch of maze of big dining rooms, and the fact that I thought it was just me maybe, but then there was somebody who was with us who's like, I can't find the room with this fan. That's how big it was. It was that it's hard to find all the rooms and all the fans. So this is the one that has mismatched blades, which either happened during installation, except that would mean that one of the other fans that's long gone had mismatched blades, which is possible, or as blades broke.
Maybe they broke a blade on this one and then pulled one off another one after they retired that one.
Yep, that's what I'm thinking. I feel like there was a lot of musical fans happening.
Yeah.
So, anything we want to say about this one before we put power to it?
I mean, the different blade design's interesting. I think every other one has this design from Pedro's, right? They all have
No, the first one has the rounded blade design. Yep, which both of those are unique to Envirofan.
Okay.
But which one is that over there? That one's got the more squared-ish one, and then the other one has the rounded one.
Right, that one's more square.
So let's take a vote. Which blade style do you prefer? The rounded one is 1. That's the one that's closest to Metal Pete right now. Yeah. And the one that's more squared, which is the other 3 on this fan, is 2. Metal Pete, which blade shape do you prefer?
Ooh, it's kind of a hard call, really.
Andy, you got a preference?
I didn't even notice until I saw that slight taper on
the
back.
The taper's different. Yeah.
One blade there. I'd say the square one better. So 2.
Rick?
It depends on the fan, but I'm gonna say on these I actually like the round better. I think.
So you got to vote yet? Your metalness or no? I mean, they're all gold lines. It's not
it is all.
I like them all.
They're all Envirofan designs.
Death Clock approved all of them.
Probably the more squarish ones.
Okay, so the square is the winner. I'm glad that we have at least one whole fan that has a complete set of both. Yeah. That one's got the squarish ones.
Yeah.
I looked over
on
there.
That thing, I think they look good, but on these, I don't know. These would just seem more decorative to me, like having the more rounded, even though they're literally the same idea.
Anybody want to say anything else before we hit 0 to high?
Buy a fan stick.
Okay, 0 to high.
The saw out says high.
This one did not go up to. This one went up.
I mean, I'm
not nearly as high as the other ones.
I'm not one of those people that's psychic with RPM, but this one seems fast, more so than the last 2.
Yeah, it's blowing stuff around to a degree
I
that
can feel that.
So yeah, it's ironic. This one seems to be one of the better performers, given that the blades are mismatched. Oh, that is definitely faster than the other ones.
Well, 14, 16.
$354.
It's almost as fast as a 36-inch gold line.
Yeah, I think the wood blades are lighter than the metal blades.
Too. That is true.
Because whatever they use for wood, it's not
689.
Actually,
689.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That is considerably more than the other ones.
That was that's the highest I saw. That's our metric, right?
Yeah. That is 10,100. So this is almost a. This is more than a. This is.
It seems faster to me. Like
Yeah, this is 1,000 CFM more than the last one we tested. That's a considerable difference.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Well, we might have to keep this one with the mismatched blades. We'll see.
Maybe that's working some magic.
It's doing something. And even this one even looks in pretty nice shape too, which is pretty impressive given how close it is.
The motor's very clean. I mean, that definitely.
You know, I doubt Jim would remember, and he probably wasn't even the one doing the work. But I just wonder, like maybe like when they put the quick connect up, maybe they did that and they like moved that one somewhere else, and then they put the quick connect where a different fan was instead of just replacing the fan that was there. I don't know.
Anything is possible at that place based on what we were finding. I mean,
it had some McGee tendencies there.
Yeah.
Or some youth
there
center-ish.
was even some drywall screws involved.
I love cobbled together. Well, look, I mean, even the stuff that was built into the place, the way those ceiling pockets were lit, that was very like Alex Jordan, House in the Rock, cobbled together. Yeah. It was not
like literally just a strip with a bunch of outlets and then those plug-in sockets.
Yeah, they just cleaned out a bunch of hardware stores or Farm and Fleets or whatever. You know, like that was
it's kind of amazing. Yeah, we never would have guessed that. I mean, it looked.
Really I always thought those were fluorescent.
The one thing I did not like though was the completely metalled wires on top of the quick connect just wrapped around the J-hook all the way.
It was great except for taking it down. Yeah. I mean, it's fine they were out of the way, but like, oh my gosh, getting that off is interesting.
I wonder if the hook came loose and spun and that twisted the wires around.
That could be. Wouldn't be the first time I've seen that.
No, especially with those sheet metal J-hooks, because all it takes is one of the.
They were able to get it off the hook, but the only way to get it off that without like undoing 1,000 turns of wire would have been just cutting the wires. That's what we ended up doing.
Good spin down on this one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to see, does the outer hedge have any difference between the two? Doesn't look like it.
I don't think so.
It's just the same, like squared off.
Yep. I mean, really, it wouldn't. If I were to hang it like this, only fan people would notice.
Yeah. I mean, if you look carefully, too, one of the flush mount things in the youth center rec room has two very wrong blades, but they're if you look at them, you can tell the shape's slightly different. But I didn't have any. We were missing a couple, so I had to use what spares I had.
I feel like there's some crunching happening earlier than 8. It could be my imagination, but it sure sounds like it.
This one got a real nice spin down. So
where do we think this one's going to start?
I'm going to give this one 2 on this one.
I'll go with 3.
Okay, well, I guess I must have left with 4, which worked for me last time, but this one is
this might be a
and you can break the rule and
if you want to double guess, we'll allow it.
Okay, I'll go with I'm gonna go with 2 then, because we had one that started already on 2.
I'll go with 4 then.
1, 2.
Oh.
It's like inching.
Oh.
No. Okay. 3. I'll do it.
Who said 3?
I did.
Yep.
Metal Pete.
Okay, Pete
Metal Pete knows Envirofans.
They're metal. This motor's, I mean, that's like a mirror, a gold mirror. It cleaned out real well. Cleaned up real well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is there grinding going on?
Somebody's working on cars in one of those shops out there.
Yeah, there's other people that rent here.
Yeah. Okay, here's 4.
Like need work on fans here.
Mm-hmm.
Sparks flying everywhere out the window there.
You can see it?
Yep.
Nice.
Sparky.
Alright, so that's a nice atmosphere.
Atmospheric.
Atmospheric.
Okay.
Here's 5.
Okay, so your standard.
Yeah, there's more normal though.
Yeah.
What kind of speed did you see these things running on, like when the place was open?
Well, if you remember, if you go back and look at our video,
where you had it set to?
I had it set to where the mark on it was.
That seemed faster than I would have guessed.
That's what I remember them being. When I looked at them while they were up, I was like, oh yeah, that looks familiar. Because I was really trying to remember if they were even on a lot or not, and I think they were. I think they were on most of the time when I went there. I don't remember seeing them off. But I mean, heck, I've got videos. I've been there multiple times. We can look in the videos and see.
Yeah. Here's 7.
Okay, there's metal. This is feel free to step into the camera.
Yeah, I will.
It's crunch time.
Yeah, everybody, please join in the crunching.
It's crunch time.
And
And 8.
Crunch, 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 crunch. Pedro's Mexican restaurant.
Yes.
We should get a thumbnail of Pete holding that. Yeah.
That should just be all of tonight's thumbnails. Like every video is that thumbnail.
You want some, Rick?
I'll wait until next.
I'll wait as well. Yeah.
Okay, here is mine.
I've been eating real food. I'm not the Pedro's chips and salsa, of course, is real food, but I've been eating like substantial food because this was the first thing I ate today. So I had a salad earlier, and I'm working my way on a bagel sandwich, and I literally have brought with my lunch and dinner in addition to the Pedro's.
10.
Yeah, this one performs like a champ.
This one's really nice, yeah.
You know what else?
Pedro's.
Pedro's.
No missing.
That's the commercial. I'm gonna find it on YouTube.
Okay,
That's
you
the
already
commercial.
scarred me with that Christmas tree song, so this is
That was not my choice.
Well, somebody made a bad choice.
I'm the happiest Christmas tree.
Stuck in my head for a solid day, and I wanted to jump off a bridge.
I tried to take it off the playlist today, but it would not let me.
Right.
I'd never heard that before.
Where's
And it just
11?
got...
I've heard a lot about the happiest Christmas tree, and I'm becoming an unhappy Christmas tree.
No, we're at 11.
We are at 11. Time to
We
do
are
some
at
more
11.
crunching.
Oh, so we hit the 10 switch.
That's actually not as fast.
No, I
He
forgot
turned-
I missed the 10 switch.
Yeah.
No, this is more. Here's your 11 and 12.
Crunch, 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 crunch. Pedro's making Mexican.
Really?
That was how the commercial went.
Cease and desist.
I remember their commercials. No, we're not going to talk bad about Pedro's during these videos.
I got nothing against Pedro's. They were good.
That was their commercial.
All right.
I'm going to find it and I'm going to play it for Rick. It was very much giving like they hired a local jingle writing firm. You know,
Probably.
if you need a union cab, call 246-2000. I don't even know that's the name. 25. What was
that
it?
actually
What?
rings a bell. I think that does.
Yeah.
Okay, here's 13.
That's a different one. Yeah.
And 14.
And you can go quicker now because there's no controls between there and the 20.
15.
Nor would we want a speed really in this range between here and 20.
16.
20 is a good backed off high.
Yeah.
17. 18. 19. And 20. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Right.
Pete leans in.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's get rid of the salsa on this plate, this video, and then for the rest of the night we can open up the next one.
The second one, yeah, that's
What else?
Crunch, 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 crunch.
double crunch. There's so much crunch. This is the most crunching that's occurred in a small.
I mean, but everybody's so happy. It's hard to be mad at it.
Delightfully so on this one. Like,
Yeah,
this
I
is-
mean, I think there's a name for it. People that can't stand to hear other people chewing, and that's me and Nia both are like, we hate that. But for everybody loving the Pedro's chips and salsa is worth it for this video, or these videos.
Yes, for tonight.
So,
I agree.
and this will be some of the few videos that after Pete leaves, we will still crunch.
That's true.
Normally when Pete leaves, we just listen in the distance to see if we can still hear the crunching.
Yes.
Go ahead and just...
Pete, have you ever seen that? If you're not here for a video, we still listen for the crunching, but it's really far away.
But we can still hear it because
We
it's so
still
loud.
hear it, it's so
Just
loud.
take it to 40,
Okay,
just,
yeah.
just to make sure there's no resonant on this one, but I can't imagine there would be.
That's 40, and we're still not even at high.
Yeah.
There's high. Yeah. So
Okay, well now where do we think it's going to be on the solid state? We've had various degrees of bedroom and living room. We've not had any ones that are loud. We've not had any ones that are silent. Rick's the happiest Christmas tree.
Cease and desist. I am going to say you know what? I'm gonna give this one the benefit of the doubt. Silent.
Anybody
It's
else?
been weird. This one's been weird.
Bedroom quiet.
Yeah, I'll go bedroom on this one.
I'm going to go with Rick on silent. No, one's done living room. I'll do living room. But I hope it's silent.
No.
I said bedroom.
No.
Is this the loudest of them so far?
It might be.
Oh God.
Oh yeah.
Yikes. Okay. Well.
Low end of living room or high end of bedroom?
Low in the living room.
Okay.
That groan is the annoying.
Yeah, these all have a cyclic hum to them. that solid state exaggerates. Okay. Well, we know that this is pretty much everybody's top category, right?
It's so.
Mid-range top category.
Low range top category, but still top category.
Yeah. I don't care as much about the ranges as much as knowing each category. So yeah, okay, so then we've solved everything. Let's thank our one and only sponsor for these videos. That's I almost did the wrong one. That would have been bad. Pedro's Mexican Restaurant. Somebody want to get the chip bag and show that in the camera too?
Yes.
These you can buy in stores.
Plain and the spicy.
Yeah. These might be available in a store near you. It's worth checking. They're available definitely in stores in Wisconsin and possibly even northern Illinois. You know, a lot of things, the only way to get them in...
I will look into that and see if I can find them.
Yeah, if not, you can get them when you come up here. Sure. Otherwise, the only way to get things in stores is to just take it there and leave it.
Take it there and leave it?
Yeah, like if we wanted to put 8/12/20 in stores, we would have to get it 8/12.
Literally put it
So,
there.
well, that's it for this video. We've thanked our sponsor, so let's wrap it up. And, oh, wait, who's that at the door? Why, look, it's Metal Jonas.
Oh, marvelous door.
You like any chips and salsa, Metal Jonas?
Oh, I love. Very marvelous. Magnificent chips.
You gonna have some?
Oh.
Help yourself, Metal Jonas.
Oh.
You know, they do have chips and salsa at House in the Rock, but they're not this brand. We should see if we should get them to carry this brand.
We should get these chips at the House in the Rock cafeteria.
Yeah. What do you think of House in the Rock, Metal Jonas?
Yeah.
One word. Incredible.
One word.
Overwhelming.
One word.
Amazing.
Wow. Well, that's it for this video. I think the metal crew is going to be taking off. But then the rest of us will continue on and try to get through the rest of the Pedro's fans. So, what should they buy?
Pedro's. Pedro's chips.
And Pedro's.
Thanks for watching.
Fan stick.